Why are we having so much fun, Izza?
It's raining. It's cold.
It's a geo-trip. Everything's going on.
Yeah, exactly.
Geo trips are always wet, right? You sound like a Charlie Brown. Andrew?
Yeah.
How are you?
Wet.
Wet?
Yep.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Victor?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Rachel?
Good. Fun.
Fun? Ollie? Owen? Max?
Great.
Pick one? Yeah. And Steph, there we are. Anybody can ride in the sunshine. We ride in the rain. Why? Because we are geographers. Backwards, oh my goodness. That's what happens when you have the $10 one. It doesn't say front and back. And here come the back markers. So we're going to be going off to 2 other villages this way, the back way. Really nice.